Hello, my name is Maria Camila Pastrana. Santa Marta Agria Prep. Santa Marta, Colombia is the oldest city in South America. It is full of a magic difficult to describe. It's incomparable architect, cultural heritage, beautiful landscapes, and great cultural legacy with its treasure. It's important to win succulent hats and comfortable clothing for its temperatures. The heritage temperature which really falls below 77 and 78 degrees. Beaches Santa Marta has a wide variety of beaches, most of them located in natural reserves such as Parque Tayrona. Among the most outstanding beaches we have El Rodadero, Taganga, Tayrona Park, among many more. Diving is an activity that can be experienced by young people and adults alike. It only requires knowing how to swim alight and having a positive attitude. You do not have to be an expert swimmer or has previous experience to live the fabulous adventure of diving in Santa Marta. Museum Seclusion. We can visit the different museums where we can about a lot of information on the history of Santa Marta. Typical dishes: variety of bread, the half arepa, the carimañola, the stuffed potato, and the inevitable empanada are some of the most famous French foods in the city. Fried fish, composed of delicious fried fish, fried rice with coconut and salad. The most used fish are mojarra and upper cojinoa and lebranche. The best dish is to accompany it with a glass of vanilla water with lemon, a lot of ice. Wet wine, many more. Costs. To travel to Santa Marta, the budget is person. This is 110 pesos.